If you are looking for a delicious and nutritious school recipe, then you have come to the right place. Hi, I'm Chef Brenda, and today I'm here with Butterball, and we are going to make the Asian Street Turkey Unwrap. What is an unwrap? An unwrap is just simply a wrap that is open. This is a beautiful way to display your foods on your service line and also show students exactly what's inside. Another benefit is students can customize it just the way they want it. Let me show you how. Many of us are looking for products that elevate our school meals. Butterball's turkey tenderloin does just that. We just simply roast the turkey tenderloins whole, then we slice them and freeze them to ship right to your door. Perfection. For this recipe, all you simply need to do is just thaw. To thaw them, I suggest that you just put them on sheet pans, cover, and place in the refrigerator at 40 degrees or lower overnight. Since this product is a whole turkey tenderloin, the pieces are not uniform. The best practice for serving Butterball's turkey tenderloin is to provide your servers with an example of what a serving looks like. The first thing you want to do is get a container or a boat, whatever works for you. The next thing you're going to do is place it on your scale. Then you're going to tear off the weight of the container. Then we're going to take 1 6 fluid ounce spoodle scoop and place it in the container. Now you can show your servers what 3.6 ounce serving looks like. The first thing you want to do when chopping romaine is go ahead and slice right down the center. Don't slice through the root end. Then you're going to make 2 more slices on each side of your beginning slice. Then you're going to turn it over and do the very same thing on the other side. The thing you want to remember about chopping romaine is that our students' mouths are small, so you really want to work hard at making sure you get nice, small, bite-sized pieces. Just like this. Cucumbers are a kid favorite, and if you have ever served them on a salad bar, you know they are a big hit. In this recipe, they provide a lot of color and texture, that nice crunch. Next, you're going to make thin slices of cucumber. These will go very nice into the wrap. This Asian-inspired dressing is full of acids that lend wonderful nutrients and flavor to this unwrap. First, we have orange juice, then we have lemon juice, lime juice, sesame oil, rice vinegar, everyone's favorite, garlic, ginger, and to add a little bit of heat, we're going to add some red pepper flakes. Then we're just going to simply whisk. After you are finished whisking your ingredients, then you're going to simply measure out with a number 30 scoop your dressing into a souffle cup. Now we're ready to build the Asian Street Turkey Unwrap. Here we go. We have taken 3-pound boats and placed our whole grain rich tortillas in the boat so that the wrap is open and students can see exactly what's inside. Then we began building it. First, we're going to add 1 cup of our romaine lettuce. Then we're going to use our 2 fluid ounce spoodle for our 1/4 cup cucumbers. The next thing we're going to do is use another 2 fluid ounce spoodle and add a 1/4 cup of carrots. And they add so much color, it just makes it pop. Now we're going to add our featured turkey tenderloins. So again, using our 6 fluid ounce spoodle to get 3.6 ounce weight of turkey, we're going to sprinkle that right on top. This is a protein-packed meal and students love it. The next thing we're going to do is include our dressing right on top here, and you can serve it on top. If you're going to serve it grab and go ahead and add a lid onto that dressing so it doesn't spill everywhere. And here is where the customization comes into play. So here we have some cilantro, some chopped green onions, some ribboned chiffonade basil, and also some jalapenos. By giving students the option on their condiment bar, you're just introducing them to new flavors that they may have never experienced before. There you have it, Butterball's featured turkey tenderloin medallion in this Asian Street Turkey Unwrap. To find the recipe, please visit butterballfoodservice.com/K12.